Question number 9. The sum of the two roots of a quadratic equation is 5 and the sum of their cubes is 35. Find the equation. Equation means we use that formula x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. We have to find two values, alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Let alpha and beta be the roots of the quadratic equation. Given that one value we have given, alpha plus beta equal to 5. Equation 1, alpha cube plus beta cube, sum of their cubes is 35. Equation 2, we know that this formula we can use in one example. A plus b bracket cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here alpha plus beta bracket cube, alpha cube plus 3 alpha square beta plus 3 alpha beta square plus beta cube. Alpha plus beta bracket cube, alpha cube plus beta cube close, and these two terms 3 alpha beta common into bracket alpha plus beta. In this equation put all values from 1 and 2. Alpha plus beta 5 cube, alpha cube plus beta cube 35. 3 we have to find alpha beta, therefore alpha beta as it is alpha plus beta 5 from 1 and 2. 125, 35 transfer here. 125 minus 35, 5 3s are 15 alpha beta. Subtraction 90, 15 divide here, alpha beta equal to 6. In last answer, the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Put here value, alpha plus beta 5, alpha beta 6. Therefore x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 is the required equation. Question number 10. This is very hard question. There are some adjustments are there. So you write 2-3 times again and again. Again and again that understand. So then you can understand that example. We have to find the quadratic equation such that its roots are the square of sum of the roots and square of the difference of the roots of the given equation. So this is given equation. Starting this equation compare with the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We have a equal to 2, b equal to 2 into p plus q, c equal to p square plus q square. Then let alpha and beta be the roots of the quadratic equation. Find the two values. We use that formula, alpha plus beta minus b upon a, minus 2 into p plus q upon 2, 2 to cancel, minus p plus q. Equation 1, alpha beta c upon a, p square plus q square upon a 2. Equation 1, equation 2. The roots of the required quadratic equation which we have to find, these are square of sum of square of this and is some difference of square of this. Therefore the roots of the required quadratic equations are alpha plus beta bracket square and alpha minus beta bracket square. These are the roots of the required equation that is denoted by alpha 1 and beta 1. Let alpha 1 and beta 1 be the roots of the required equation. Then alpha 1 equal to this, beta 1 equal to this. When we find the quadratic equation, we have to find two values, sum of these roots and multiplication of these roots. So we find first their sum, alpha 1 plus beta 1 equal to, alpha 1 means this plus this. We have this value here, but we have no this value. So we find first this value. Now alpha minus beta bracket square equal to, alpha plus beta bracket square minus 4 alpha beta equal, because here middle term is minus 2 alpha beta, here middle term is plus 2 alpha beta. Therefore if we take minus 4, then plus 2 and minus 4, minus 2 alpha beta, then these two terms are equal. Then alpha minus beta bracket square equal to this adjustment we make here. So put here value, alpha plus beta minus p plus q bracket square minus 4 into alpha beta p square plus q square upon 2 from 1 and 2. Then minus square is plus, therefore p plus q bracket square minus 2 2s are 4, 2 into p square plus q square bracket square, p square plus 2pq plus q square minus 2p square minus 2q square, p square minus 2p square minus p square plus 2pq, q square minus 2q square minus q square. Here minus sign common, p square minus 2pq plus q square. Therefore this is the square number, a minus b bracket square, p minus 2. Therefore alpha minus beta bracket square equal to minus p minus q bracket square. Give equation 3, because this value we can use. Then we have to find alpha 1 plus beta 1 equal to this value first term, alpha plus beta bracket square, this put minus p plus q bracket square plus this value we can find minus p minus q bracket square. Therefore here minus square, here not minus square, this is p minus q bracket square minus and outside. Therefore minus square is plus, this plus minus minus p minus q bracket square, then p square plus 2pq plus q square minus p square minus 2pq plus q square. Here minus sign will be changed, minus p square plus 2pq minus q square. Term answer will be, addition will be 4pq. This is the equation number 4. Alpha 1 plus beta 1 multiplication, alpha plus beta bracket square, alpha minus beta. This value we can put from here, minus p plus q bracket square. This value we can find here from 1 and 3. This put value, again minus square, this plus, but this minus sign is outside. Therefore minus p plus q bracket square, p minus q bracket square, a raised to m into b raised to